Oh my God! Look at the Blantonboro Middle School sign.
And that truck tried to speed. Boy.
Oh my God. That's
Alright.
Look, you missing it. Look over there.
It's the water outside mama house. Ditches are full.
In the furnace,
Long time ago.
long time ago. Shadrach and Meshach and the bad Negro. They wasn't worried. They wasn't worried. They wasn't worried. They wasn't worried.
They learned how to trust in Jesus.
They wasn't worried.
Lean not to thine own
They
understanding.
wasn't worried.
They learned how to
They wasn't worried. will fix it.
He fixed it for my family.
Jesus, he will fix
He
it.
will do it for me, yeah.
Jesus, he will fix it.
He done it before.
Jesus, he will fix
He
it.
will do it, yeah.
Jesus, he will fix it. 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 After a while. Holy Ghost, hand in
Boy, look at this, man.
It might not be, because they porch still safe, but it might be good.
Man.
More than their garage, though.
Yeah. Insanity.
Damn. Outside.
That's why we were going to build an ark.
As the town of Lumberton filled with water, desperate neighbors fled any way they could. 1,500 needed rescue.
We was helping whoever needed the chance to get out.
The Coast Guard, the National Guard, and FEMA have all arrived.
There's a significant problem here, without a doubt.
Thousands of homes may be swamped, and many more are in danger. Overnight evacuation centers were brimming.
What do you do now?
I don't know, wait. I don't know what to do.
With no count on the missing, there is little sign of relief. The flood.
Look at this. This is a gas station. This is what happens after North Carolina experiences a storm. You see all these cars here?
Niggas waiting.
People are waiting to get gas. Waiting in
There's a line.
lines.
There's a line.
That line is going down the street. They're waiting
This is
in a line just to get gas. That is insane. So much to clean up. Actually, let me turn it this way. So much. Our yard doesn't look as bad as everyone else's, I would say, but some are pretty messed up. But we're cleaning it. All those twigs and branches. Thank God none of them fell on our house. We got ladders knocked over. Buster found his way in. There's no screen. Trash cans knocked over. We were flooded. Oh my God. I'm so glad the door was picked up, because look at it blew the roof off the shed. I mean, it blew the roof off the doghouse. That was blown clean off.
Come in, Fireball.
Does it mirror? Does he have one eye open? Yeah, he looks fine.
Fine. You doing okay? It was
Maybe
scary.
a little spooked. Other than that, he looked fine.
I know. It was scary. I know.
Hey.
I would pet you, but I don't even like cats.
I'm allergic to cats and I'm petting him.
It's okay. Hey, they running on the generator? That's their sound, ain't it?
That's
That's one of his machines. He's probably getting ready to go try to do some cleaning up for some people to get some money.
This is Fireball. Fireball is my cousin's cat, but it's my little yeah, yes you are. Fireball. So we done made some piles. I'm just tired to do anymore. There's some back there. There's a few back there. Probably can't see them. Some over here. Trying to dry tarps off. I need to cover the lawnmower again. All the lights were knocked. Watch out, Papa. Step out of the well, you really can't see it, but you probably see that one there. The lights, that light right there. All those were knocked out. And then still that was knocked out. Got the water down here. You can see how that was flowing. Papa, if you pay attention. I went ahead and pushed some of that over there, but I'm gonna wait till most of this dries before I can move that. We got Fireball right here. He's sleeping. Last time I saw him yesterday, he was not happy. But my cousin took him inside. He finally went somewhere to go be. I tried to take him somewhere else, but he didn't let me, but I'm glad that he went over there. Right here. And water was flowing all over here. But damn. Damn.
Even with her, like I done showed her so much shit to how to do better shit, get money, handle better shit, like even younger than y'all motherfuckers.
So we got our grease over the fire and my little nifty thermometer that shows us the temperature of the grease. So we're gonna fry some chicken and some french fries. French fried potatoes. You see that focus, nigga? Watch this.
So now you're gonna go watch that Donald Trump.
You see that?
Donald Trump gonna be on CNN.
Whoa! Whoa! Buster. Whoa! Buster.
I guess it must not be hot outside.
We need some salt. Go get the salt.
Butter. Sodium chloride, please.
So maybe I put the hot.
Need some onions. It's day 3. It's day 3, but it's day 2 after. We still have no power. We're cooking at my sister's house because she has a gas stove. We can't call my sister in Charlotte, which I don't like. Can't get on Facebook to post. I don't like that.
Can't tell anyone you're okay.
No one knows that we're okay. And last night, while we were outside, cooking, a car rolled by and screamed out the window, "Fuck you, nigger!"
Thanks, Mike. Right now, the current temperature
Finally making it to the pump. This was not open.
Brought to you by McDonald's. Hey, come to McDonald's for the Everyday McPick 2 for a $3 menu. Choose 2 of your favorite for just $3, including double cheeseburger, 6-piece, McNugget, medium fries, and more.
I'm ready to go home. I'm tired of being out. I'm ready to beat a bitch ass. Hurricane Matthew 2016. It's the line for the gas. Let's see if you can see. No, you can't. You can see the people behind me in the rear view.
Oh, they told them to evacuate. Tar Heel had to evacuate. Oh, he said Albany County got to evacuate.
Well, not us. We're fine. Does the ice machine have ice? If they can get ice, I'm gonna get some ice. Oh shit, it got ice. Oh, he gay as hell.
No, he not.
Yes, he is.
He got all the hoes. I'm gonna turn on Facebook. That's my first time seeing him in person. He ugly.
That don't mean he ain't gay.
Oh, no, I got
Those be the gayest niggas be like, I still gotta have my dick though. This is crazy.
Oh, he said more dams broke.
No gas, no way on. So apparently they're getting gas over here. So we're gonna wait in this line over here to get some gas. So I'm going to go meet Anthony and Adam and Tanaja and Jaya to go be over here. So we're in another line. The gas station over there didn't have shit. So we're in this line. And we got people like this, who didn't even, wait in the line. They're just coming and trying to make their own line. Like this patriot right here. I will fuck a bitch up today. I will fuck a bitch up today. I guess the struggle was real. We got the horse, guy on here driving his horse. Well, riding, pardon me. We finally got our gas. I'm waiting on, I am.
Something to think about. Black man gets shot by police. People start protesting in Charlotte. Pat McCrory, our lovely governor, decides to call in National Guard. We got tanks, people in National Guard there, martial law is declared. Hurricane Matthew hits. Power goes out. Cell phone signal dies, yet no National Guard. No big state of emergency.
There's nothing being deployed.
Yeah, there's no one being deployed out here. Everyone who's basically any cleanup that's happening, everyone's having to do it themselves.
You seen what happened?
North Carolina.
In Lumberton, in Robeson County, it is devastation. This storm, I know they kept telling us to prepare, and we did prepare, but when the levees broke in Lumberton, it just came up so fast.
All in my ear. Now it's time to go home and watch Queen Sugar. Here at my uncle's house in Lumberton, where most of the flooding was. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a line on the wall that shows you how high it is. Right there. Compared to everything else. You can see how high it was. See that line right there? You see how high it was? No, it's not. Step down. Step over there. Stand over here. Stand over here.
Yeah, well that's
mid-chest. Mid-chest.
Yeah, that's beyond waist deep. Water was deep as hell here. So if you were caught in the water, you had to wade all through that.
We're gonna come back Saturday morning.
The
Did you
water
see?
damage?
You see what it was?
That's a mid-chest.
Crazy.
You got
That's
something that they
insane.
use.
This shit stinks, yo. This fucking shit smells like ass and fish up ass. I don't know if you can see the mold in the wall, but the mold in the wall is the height of the water. Shit everywhere.
Come on, give me all the kiss. I'm relative. I deserve it. Right there. Oh, that's not bad. Hey, I have one more for the room. Come on, baby. We'll be back tonight. Not worried. You're coming back because we had a big party about some hotel theme ideas. Yeah. Maybe we won't come back. Sir, I understand. Oh, another thing. I heard about you. Here, with my girlfriend last night. I know. It's not good. You're gonna have to find another way to bring it in. Hey, kid! I'm keeping you on, so watch your tone with it. Your brief little trip to the land of make-believe is just about over, my friend.
Keep going, keep going.
You say that home and auto insurance got a water, e-shirts, and a sleek company.
Indulge your color obsession with the one and only coloration lipstick from L'Oreal. Luxuriously rich, creamy, and hydrated. 6 shades of neutral to cyclical coloration by a makeup designer for years. What happens when you put your peel and shop farm-grown ingredients and get radical home style? So good, even flavors. For the taste of radical home style tradition. traditional over Prego traditional. Choose bold.
Dynasty explores the inner practical parts of man, compared by many to renowned authors like Stephen King, Dean Koontz, and Bram Stoker. How Brody's characters are plucked from the pages, come alive, and shock and astound.
Never in my life have I ever wanted to vote so badly. Just being honest. But I voted. Yay! Me. Now let's get McCrory out of office. Yay! Y'all pray for Anthony. He ain't going nowhere.
I'm cold.
He ain't going nowhere.
I'm cold.
Just pray for him.
Ah.
Buster, really? Really, Buster? Buster, oh my God. You're doing the most. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Buster. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here.
So we've been looking forward to having Ivy become part of her family.
Get out of here. Get out of here.
I'm very excited for Ivy to come home. I just can't wait to have a new, best friend.
Oh my God.
Toys everywhere. The inside of the house looks
You heard?
Come over here. Come on, come on. Come on. Come on. Good.
And only Honda is backed by America's best warranty. Better is the reason to buy Hyundai. The 2017 Sonata from Hyundai. Kellogg's Frosted Mini Wheats. Crunchy wheat. Frosted sweet. For the adult and kid in all of us. Kellogg's Frosted Mini Wheats. Feed your inner adult.
Known projections beat you by 40 this week.
Projections don't mean anything. Without NFL.com fantasy football, what would friends talk about?
I got a new watch. Doesn't have any numbers though.
How do you know what time it is?
I use my phone.
It's not too late to play. Sign up for free at NFL.com/fantasy. Montgomery and Abigail Eames had a tree that bore the most rare and magical fruit, which provided for their every financial need.
Calling to get what he wants. Get it, Julian. Come on, Julian, get it. Go get it. Get it.
But with their Raymond James financial advisor, they had prepared for even the unthinkable. And they danced. See what a Raymond James advisor can do for you.
Discover card. I'm not a customer, but I'm